Power Media logo bloopers. Number 2. Cut. Monster, you're not allowed to be in the Power Media logo. Alright, let's take it again. Cut. Power Media, why are you in Ben and Tom's news? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take 3. Cut. Why did Power Media run away of the studio? What are you talking about? I'm right here. Okay, now we could try again for the final, but this is your warning, Power Media. If you screw up again, you're fired. I take the lesson. Cut. That's it. Power Media, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now and stop using Logos Channel's videos. He's a good user. Time to put you out. There. Power Media's gone. Forever. Peace out.